Hi, this is Hadley Puckett recording my last current event of the year, and it's for May 11th of 2018. So, we all know, we've all learned there's a problem with Earth's energy and our resources and stuff. We're way too dependent on fossil fuels, and the fossil fuels on Earth are beginning to run out. So people are needing new sources of sustainable, clean energy. Solar panels are expected to be one of the main energies of the future. One state is making them a requirement on all new homes. California will be mandating solar panels on all homes and apartments built after 2020, an extremely controversial decision for many people. California is the first state to pass mandation laws on solar panels. This was a very controversial decision. Supporters point out the decrease in carbon emissions from a solar home against one powered on the grid with fossil fuels. According to Amber Beck, a spokesperson for the California Energy Commission, under the new standards, new homes would be expected to reduce energy use by more than 50%. One issue with the new law is that the panels would be adding approximately $10,000 in additional construction costs to the already high-priced housing market in California. These additional costs can make living in California even more of an impossibility for some new home buyers. These new measures should drastically decrease greenhouse gas emissions over 3 years, however, up to 700,000 metric tons of it. The California Energy Commission said that this would be equivalent to taking 115,000 cars off the road. In conclusion, California has mandated that all new homes and apartments built after 2020 must have solar panels. This is an extremely controversial decision. While incredibly costly up front, the panels are expected to reduce energy use by up to 50%. I got my current event from Fox News, and the article was written by Brooke Singman, and this is my Works Cited page, and yeah, that's it. So, for the last time this year, I'll see you later.